To use WhatsApp, you must first verify your phone number. Here's how to get started. Open WhatsApp. Review the privacy policy and terms of service pages. Tap Agree and Continue to accept the terms of service. Enter your country code and phone number. Tap Next. Confirm the phone number entered is correct and tap OK. If the phone number is incorrect, tap Edit and re-enter your phone number. Enter the verification code you received via SMS or tap Call Me to receive an automated phone call with the code instead. Please don't guess the code, or you'll be temporarily locked out from requesting a new code. Follow the prompts to enter your name and allow WhatsApp access to restore your backup if you have one. If you're having issues receiving your code, try the following. Open www.whatsapp.com on your phone browser to test your internet connection. Send a SMS to your phone number from another phone to test your reception. Restart your phone. Delete and reinstall the latest version of WhatsApp. If you're traveling, you can use the Call Me option to receive the verification code via voicemail. If you don't have voicemail access, you can try enabling roaming via your phone settings. Note, this may result in additional charges from your network provider.